So I'm here at an undisclosed location in Sydney, in New South Wales. For those people who don't know where Sydney is, you should do. I've got this awesome bike below me. Going to take it for a spin.
The biggest, craziest bike you've ever ridden.
It is actually scaring me thinking about it.
Sounds like a boat.
Yeah.
Are we doing the big reveal?
I should really be wearing a helmet, but I don't think I can go fast enough.
Private property, man. You're good.
How many gears has it got?
None.
Okay.
Just send it, dude. Full throttle. You know what to do.
That's full throttle.
Don't break my bike, dude.
Yeah. Probably would.
Do another lap. I had camera fail.
Ah. I like it.
What do you think?
I don't know what the lap times would be on it, but it'd be good for using around the pits.
Hell yeah.
It actually would. This would be awesome in the pits. Wouldn't take much room in your race trailer.
You need to get one, dude.
I want one. How much do you want for it?
Not for sale. Sorry.
Boo.